Good afternoon, folks. Tom here, and my new 3D printer came in today, and there's the original one. It's a little smaller, but it's okay because I'm printing a lot of small stuff, and I just put it all together, and I'm doing a print right now, and we'll see how it comes out. It's got 16 minutes left. So that's an Anycubic Mono Photon Mono 4K model. And Anycubic support is sending me another part, and hopefully that'll come in the next couple weeks, and I'll get that one back together and I can make bigger things. So we'll see how it goes. I rearranged my desk, this table here, so I can put this other printer here, and I'll move that one over a little bit closer to that printer, and then I put the curing station there, and then I put the wash stand down there. So we'll be back after it prints, and we'll see what it comes out. I'm printing these 55-gallon drums. There's 3 different ones in there. There's single ones, then there's 3 on top of each other, and then there's a bunch of I think 5 or 6 together. I forget what it was, but we'll see what it looks like when they come out. So we'll be back in a little while. We'll see you later. Okay, gang, the printer finished, and it looks like it did good. You can see all of them on the bottom of the build plate. I'm going to take it out and put it in the alcohol and scrape them off of the build plate, and then I'll show you when I get them on my paint station, and we'll come back in a little while. See you in a little bit. Okay, guys, I printed them out and dried them off, and there they are. These are the small ones, single barrels. These are 3 barrels on top of each other, and these are 12 of them on top of each other. But then I found out that they looked small, because this one here I had on my layout. You can see a difference in the size. So I increased the size, and there they are. So they match that size. So I'm going to print more of those. But these are probably good for N scale. So if anybody has any N scale, they want them, let me know. I'll send them to you. And that's it. So the printer's working, and I'm gonna this is a tool that I had, and this measures millimeters and stuff like that. So I gotta get a battery because that screen doesn't come on, but that's a nice tool. Had that for a long time and never realized it had millimeters on it, but it does. So that's that. So 3D printing's working, and I'm going to start doing some more printing. And hopefully I get that other part from Anycubic soon, so I can get that other printer going too. So that's it. So everybody have a great weekend, and enjoy the rest of the weekend, and we'll see you all again. And everybody have a great day, and enjoy it, and we'll all see you in the next video. Everybody take care, and this is Tom, and printing is working. See you later.